Yes. See, when you hear function, right, what comes in your mind? अरे यार, पेन तो नहीं चल रहा मेरा. Just a second, sorry. Yes. When you hear function, what comes in your mind? If there will be something f of x, then there will be something, right? Like this. Hello. ऐसा कुछ आता होगा दिमाग में, है ना?
हाँ सर.
Right. Now, see here. I am writing f of x is equal to ax plus b, right? Okay. Now, this f of x is what we can tell it as well as y. Hello. Y
Yes
भी तो
sir.
बोलते हैं ना इसको. Y as well, right? Now, understand the value of this function, right? This one. Or I can tell the value of y, right? It depends on what? It depends on x. This particular f of x is dependent on what? On x. Its value will change when we'll change x. For example, if I'm putting x equal to 0, this will be b. If I'm putting x equal to 1, this will be a plus b, right? So its value is changing on changing what? On changing x. Hello. Right? So can I tell
हाँ sir.
this is an dependent function or dependent term? Hello. Not function, dependent term, right? And this is x is
Independent.
independent, right? You can change the value of x, whatever you want to do, right? Hello. है ना? एक तरीके से ये बोल सकते हैं ना? We can tell this out, right? Hello, hello, hello.
हाँ
है
sir.
ना? कुछ और टर्म देखते हैं. Let us see. For example, I am writing f of x as 3x minus 4, right? Fine. And I'm telling you to find f of 3. So what I mean to say, instead of x, what do you substitute? 3. Right.
3.
That's what I'm meaning to say, right? So what it would be? 9 minus 4, 5. Right? If I'm telling f of 2, this will be what? 2. Hello.
Yes
So
sir.
again, this particular f of x is changing when? When we are changing the value of x. As we change the value of x, the value of fx also change, right? Or see, f of x थोड़ा बोलने में difficult होता है, you can even call it as y, right? So y is what? Dependent, right?
De-
Dependent on what? On x, right? Similarly, if I'm writing like this, f of z. So now this function is dependent on what? On z. Hello. z
हाँ
पे
sir.
dependent होगा ना? Right. Okay. For example, if I'm asking you find f of 3, right? And f of x is x plus 1 by x, right? So what will be f of 3? Directly value डाल दो.
4/3.
4 by 3, right? This is the definition of f of x, right? Function जो होता है वो होता क्या? This is something term, right? We have read quadratic. So quadratic में what is the f of x is equal to what? ax square plus bx plus c, right? Hello, है ना?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है? Now, let us understand domain and range. These are two different terms, right? Fine. Anyways, if I'm writing f of x as 1 by x, right? Tell me what value of x this particular function cannot take. X की value आप क्या नहीं रख सकते इसमें? What value of x you
0.
cannot substitute
0.
here, right? क्या नहीं रख सकते? X equal to 0, right? Why? If you put x equal to 0, this will be
Non-definite.
not defined. Hello. You can't define the function, right? Similarly, if I'm writing 1 by x minus 3, right? What value of x you cannot keep here? X equal to 3. Hello. अरे
Yes
हेलो,
sir.
यही होता है ना
हाँ sir.
भाई? ये क्लियर है ना? राइट. Similarly, if I'm writing root under root x, what value of x you cannot keep here? Negative number.
Negative.
X will be always
Negative.
greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
Right? If I'm writing x plus 2, then x plus 2 greater than 0, x should be greater than minus 2. Hello. Fine. Now understand. Domain, if someone is asking domain, if it is asking set of values, for that values, this function is defined. For example, what value of x you can take in the function? What value of x you can substitute in the function, right? So if I'm asking a domain of this function, what do you want to tell the domain? So domain will be all real number except 0. Because at that value it is not defined, right? Again, what is domain? What value of x you can substitute, right? What value of x this function can take? X can take from which value to what value? That is domain. Right? Hello. For example, what food you can consume, right? That is your domain. Similarly, the domain is here. What value of x it can take? Fine. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Right. Let us do some question, right? So, ज़्यादा clear होगा. For example, I am telling you to find the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 7, denominator में 2x minus 1, right? Fine. You know very well what will be domain? All value of r, right? सारा value लेगा, other than what value it cannot take.
Half.
1/2.
1/2.
X will be r minus half. Hello. है ना?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ये बताना है, इसमें बताना है डोमेन. हाँ, इसको डोमेन बताओ तो.
All value of x.
Right? Why? No matter whatever you put, right? It cannot be 0. Hello. भाई डिनोमिनेटर कभी 0 नहीं होगा ना. हेलो.
हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ, sir.
Right? Why? Because this is कोई भी वैल्यू डालो, this is always positive. Right? Positive when you are adding some constant. This will be also positive, right? So it will take all values from example minus infinity to infinity. This will be the domain. Hello. And it can
Yes,
take
sir.
all values, ना? हम यही ढूंढ रहे थे ना कि at whenever we have a fraction, right? What we are looking for? We are looking for the values at which denominator is turning up to 0, and we are removing that value from all the value it is accepting, right? And that what we call it as domain, right? So now in this function, we are looking for that value in which denominator will become 0. We are looking for x square plus 9 when it will become 0. So we found it out. There is no value where it will become 0, right? Hello. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear है ना? Right. Fine. Okay. इसका करो. Root a plus 4. Claim the domain of this. Hello. बताओ. All value
He should be.
other than मतलब sorry. What is the condition? Right? Hello. So what will be the answer? Minus 4 to infinity.
Infinity.
Why? ये condition कहाँ से आई? Because under root में you cannot have any negative number. Hello.
हाँ.
है ना? Under root में you cannot have any negative number, ना? Right? Hello. Clear?
हाँ, sir.
Okay. और एक करो. Let me think of a number. हाँ, ये ट्राई करो. 1 by root under mod x minus x. Try this out. Mod x minus x. Yeah. Now what is the condition for domain? Hello. That this cannot be 0. Hello. Or this has to be
Greater than 0.
greater than 0. I'm not using greater than equal to 0. Why? Because this cannot be 0 as well, right? Hello. So what is the condition? Mod x should be greater than x. Hello. When it is
Yes, sir.
possible.
Yes, sir.
When x is negative number. I mean, mod x will be greater, right? Hello. X will be negative number, then only mod x will be greater than x, ना?
हाँ,
Right. और डाल के भी देख लो आप. -5 डालो. What will be having here? 5. यहाँ पे इससे बड़ा रखना पड़ेगा ना, सॉरी. -5. -5 we got +5. यहाँ पे +5, right? 1/√10. Hello. It is defined. Hello, define है ना?
हाँ,
Right.
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है. आ जाओ थोड़ा और डिफिकल्ट करते हैं. Find the domain of this. लॉग ले लेते हैं. अच्छा, लॉग की क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है? एनीवन रिमेंबर? व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉग? व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट आउट दिस? दिस हैज टू बी व्हाट? ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0. हेलो. जो लॉग a by b लिखते हैं हम, व्हाट डू टॉक अबाउट a? कि a हैज टू बी ग्रेटर देन 0. हेलो.
हाँ, sir.
अरे a ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है ना?
हाँ.
हेलो. हेलो. फाइन. अच्छा, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है डिनोमिनेटर में? x plus 1 into x plus 2. Right? First condition would be what? That x plus 3 has to be greater than 0, right? What do you got it from here? That x is greater than -3, right? Hello. Fine. And from here, x cannot be what? -1 and -2. So someone is telling that x is greater than -3, but it cannot be -1 and -2. So how you gonna write it? You're gonna write it like this: -3 to infinity, excluding -1 to -2. Hello. Excluding -1 and -2. Hello. -1 and -2 नहीं होगा ना सिर्फ. Any number between -1 and -2, that would be possible, right? Minus 2.23, -2.34, that would be possible. But what cannot be possible? Only -1 minus, right? That's why I wrote like this. Only -1 -2. I cannot write like this. -3 to -1, -2 for union, -1 to infinity, right? I cannot write like this. Why? Because I am excluding the value that is between -2 to -1, right? Only the value what cannot be possible, that is -1 and -2, right? Only these two number cannot be in the domain, right? Hello. For that reason, I am writing -3 to infinity, subtract 1, -1 to 2. Even if option is this one is there writing now, you don't have to go with this. Why? Because in this they are excluding the value that is between -2 to -1. But that is included, na? Hello.
हाँ,
Are
sir.
you clear? This thing is
हाँ.
clear. Hello. Right. Find the domain of this. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? Find the domain of this. Let's try. What is the condition? First, this has to be greater than
Greater
0.
than 0.
Right. Second, this one. right? Now this one. The x will be either greater than equal to 0 or x should be less than equal to 1, right? Hello. Fine. एक बोल रहा है x is greater than equal to -4, एक बोल रहा है x is less than equal to 4, right? और एक बोल रहा है x is greater than equal to 0 and x should be less than equal to 1. Hello. So what will be domain? क्या डोमेन आएगा? नंबर पहले उसमें पुट कर दो, नंबर लाइन पे, राइट? व्हाट वी हैड -4 0 1 4, right? Now 1 is telling what? That x is greater than -4, right? Greater than this, right? दूसरा क्या कह रहा है? X is less than equal to 4, like this, right? Hello. तीसरा, third one is telling what? That x is greater than equal to 0 but less than 1, right? तो इन तीनों में common value क्या है? What is the common value in all these three? This one,
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Hello. So what will be the answer? 0 to 1. Hello.
Yes.
Right. है ना? तभी ना डिफाइन होगा तीनों. Because if you want to consider this one, right? इसमें ये डिफाइन नहीं हो पाएगा ना बीच वाला. That x square minus x wala, right? That won't be defined. You have to select that value which will be, you know, what do we say? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? On which all the three values should be defined, right? All the three, whatever we wrote, that was root under x minus x square plus 4 plus x minus 4 minus x, right? All the three values should be satisfied. You should take that particular value. Hello, clear? अरे डोमेन क्लियर हो गया ना? डोमेन में क्या करना होता है? What is the definition of domain? What value of x the function can accept? Hello, that is domain. अरे क्लियर है ना डोमेन की डेफिनेशन? हेलो हेलो हेलो, ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट समझते हैं रेंज. व्हाट इज रेंज? देखो रेंज, जस्ट नाउ आई रोट y is equal to f of x, right? ठीक है. रेंज इज दिस वैल्यू, राइट? कि what value y can take, right? From where this value can, you know, for example, इसको सिंपल टर्म में बोलूं, you have to find minimum to maximum. What I mean to say that, for example, if I have y of f of x, right? For example, y is equal to x plus 3, right? The range is what answer you should get, you know, whatever the value domain आपने substitute put किया, right? So now you have to find from where this y value exists, right? From where to where the value of y exists, or what value of y will be getting, you know, like maxima to minima. What I mean to say that, wait. For example, I'm writing y is equal to something. For example, f of x. Now concentrate on this y, right? Range is what value of y you will get, right? Or y will consist what value? From where to where? That is range. In short term, if I want to tell you, the question is, if someone is asking you find the range of this particular function, so they are telling you find the value from minimum to maximum. They are telling you to find minimum to maximum. That is range. Okay, for a function, the range is from where to where that function will exist. From what value you will get the answer. What value of x, f of x you will be having. That is range. Or in other term, finding from minimum to maximum. ठीक है? हेलो, क्वेश्चन करेंगे ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. क्वाड्रेटिक याद है सबको? क्वाड्रेटिक में मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वाला कॉन्सेप्ट याद है? हेलो, याद है ना? मिनिमम मैक्सिमम वाला. f of x what is the range for this function? Find the range if someone is saying, right? So a is what? SI, mouse opening upward, right? The maximum will be what? Infinity. What you can find? Minimum value. What is the minimum value? For minimum value, what you have to do? You have to substitute x as what? Minus b by 2a. What is minus b by 2a? Minus 5 by 2. Substitute कर दो. Right. Whatever value you will be getting, that will be the range of this particular function. Hello. है ना? Right. Let's suppose it will be difficult for you to find through maximum minimum of everyone, right? Now आप समझना ध्यान से, मैं मेथड समझाने जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? For example, let's suppose I have find the range of 1 plus x square by x, right? 1 by x square by x square, or like this, right? Now, this is what this function is in term of x, right? Now, what you have to do, you have to make the function in term of y. For that, what we're going to do? Cross multiply. Right? Then put x square here. Right? Take x square common. What is x square? 1 by y minus 1. What is x? Right? Find the domain of this. You'll get your answer. So what will be the answer for this? क्या आंसर आएगा? That 1 by y minus 1 will be greater or equal to 0. For that, y minus 1 will be greater or equal to 0. So y will be greater than 1. Hello. Hello. Right.
sir.
So what will be the range? क्या होगा? 1 to infinity.
Infinity.
Hello. Right. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे तुम. 1 plus 1 by x square. Right. Hello. This is always positive. Hello. This is always positive, na?
Sir.
Right. So what will the value? 1 plus something will be always there. It cannot be 1. So 1 to infinity.
Infinity.
Right. Hello. लिख सकते हो ना 1 to infinity.
Sir.
Yeah. Right. Okay, what I told you whenever you have to find the range in which you are not able to find the maximum minima, right? What do you have to do? For example, we have something y is equal to f of x, right? What do you do? Make it like this, x equal to f of y, and find the domain, right? Through that you can find what? Range. Hello. Or in any question, if they are asking you to find the range, so what exactly they are asking you? क्या पूछ रहे हैं
The
तुमसे?
minimum and maximum value.
Minimum to maximum value, right? Hello. They are trying to ask to find the value from minimum to maximum, है ना? चलो एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं, ये थोड़ा सा टफ वाला करते हैं, राइट? रेंज किसका निकलवाना है? हाँ, ये वाला ट्राई करो. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 11x प्लस 31 by x square plus 11x plus 30. Try this. Yeah. What I told you, what do you need to find? Maxima to minima, right? So क्या लिख सकते हो? We can write 1 plus 1 by x square, wait, 1 plus 1 by x square plus 11x plus 31. Hello. Can I write like this? है ना?
Sir.
अब what you need to do, see, हम maximum minima किसमें बता सकते हैं? इसमें we are sure that there is something positive term and there is something constant to it, right? For example, if I try to make it like this, x plus a का whole square plus some constant, right? So I can tell about the maximum and minimum value in this case. Hello, है ना? जिसको किसी का whole square बनाओ, किसका बना सकते हो? हाँ, x square plus 11x plus 31. हाँ, see, whenever you have like this, ठीक है, देखना ध्यान से. You are sure about a, right? What is the formula for that? A plus b का whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus B square, right? You are sure about
B
A
square.
is X, right? You don't know B, right? B is what? 2AB is what? 11. Hello. 11x. A is X. So what is B? 11 by 2. So this can be made what? X plus 11 by 2 whole square.
Whole
Right?
square.
Hello. Right? Hello. Fine. What we had outside? 31. But tell me one thing. You took inside what? 11 by square, matlab 121 by 4. Hello. If you are adding 121 by 4, you need to subtract also 121 by 4. है ना? So what it would be? 3 by 4. Right? So can I write 1 divided by x plus 11 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Hello. Right? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, clear? Are you clear?
Sir.
Right. Now tell me what will the minimum value? 1. अरे x को इंफिनिटी डाल दो, ये 0 हो जाएगा ना. यहाँ पे इंफिनिटी डाल दो 1 by x को, ये 0 हो जाएगा ना. राइट, तो मिनिमम वैल्यू कैन बी 1. हेलो भाई, मिनिमम 1 हो सकता है ना.
Yes, sir.
1 by infinity क्या होता है? 0. If I put x as infinity, I'll get 1 by infinity, that will be 0. तो मिनिमम वैल्यू will be 1. Let's talk about the maximum value. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कब होगा समझना. जब if I need to find the maximum value, when it will be maximum value? When this will be what? 0. Hello. Hello. This will be 0 na. At what value it will be 0?
Infinity.
Right? What will be the answer? 1 plus 4 by 3. 7 by 3. Hello. So what will the range? 1 to 7 by 3. Hello. है ना? Hello.
Sir.
Right. Now think. If you start putting value here, right? If you're 0 से कोई value रखो, right? This will be what? 1 by some positive number plus some fraction. So obviously this will be less only, na? Denominator आप increase कर रहे हो ना? If denominator is increasing, the value of the function will decrease, na? Hello. So we can talk about the maximum value. Maximum value at what? When this square root will become 0. Hello. Right? So you have total how many methods to find maximum minima? Like अभी तो और आगे पढ़ेंगे ग्राफ के थ्रू एंड ऑल, राइट. मतलब चैप्टर अलग से पढ़ते हैं मैक्सिमम मिनिमम. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग जस्ट राइट. First one, if they're asking you range, what you can do if y is f of x, what you have to do, you have to make like x equal to f of y, right? And you have to find the domain of y. That will be the range of that, right? Or the second option is find the minimum to maximum value. Hello. This thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
राइट. ठीक है, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. दैट इज जो कैट का सबसे फेवरेट टॉपिक है, दैट दे यूजुअली आस्क. दैट इज फॉर एग्जांपल f of x is 3x plus 4, right? What is f of x? Now understand one thing, right? I have written f of x is 3x by 3x plus 4, right? अरे यार, wait, sorry. Yes, f of x is 3x plus 4, right? I am asking you f of x, right? Get one. Right. What I am doing, instead of x, what I am substituting? F of x. Instead of x, what I have substituted? F of x. What is f of x? 3x plus 4. So if I
3x
want to
plus 4.
write it, so what exactly they are asking? F of 3x plus 4. Right? So instead of x, what do you need to substitute? 3x plus 4. What it would be? right? Hello. So what your answer would be? 9x plus 12 plus 4. That will be 9x plus 16. Hello. Hello. है ना? क्या?
Yes.
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
अब देखना f of x is right. ठीक है, देखना. Now, instead of x, what you are substituting? G of x, right? So instead of x square, right? So what it would be?
3x square
3x
plus
square plus 2, right? If I'm asking you g of f of x, right? So instead of f of x, what you are substituting? 3x plus 2.
3x
So
plus
instead
2.
of x, 3x plus 2, so this will be what? Hello? Here?
Yes sir.
हाँ.
Right. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन करो, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Find this f of g of h of x.
Five x plus 12 का whole cube.
Right. First of all, what do you have to do? देखो इनर से हमेशा खोलना स्टार्ट करना, राइट? व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड g of hx, right? hx is what? 5x plus 8. So instead of x, what you gonna put? 5x plus 8. Hello. So 5x plus 12. This is what? G of h of x, right? Now you need to put instead of x, g of h of x. That is 5x plus 12. So instead of x, what are you gonna put? 5x plus 12. Hello. Clear?
हाँ सर.
Right? Hello. भाई कैट का यही फेवरेट टॉपिक है, इसमें काफी सारे क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे फंक्शन में. फंक्शन में ज्यादा ऐसे ही देते हैं, राइट? व्हाट दे गोना डू? दे गोना गिव यू एफ ऑफ एक्स, राइट? सम फंक्शन, राइट? दे गोना गिव यू एफ ऑफ 3, दे गोना टेल यू फाइंड एफ ऑफ 5, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? तो हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, बट कैट का फेवरेट टॉपिक यही है. डोमेन और रेंज की डेफिनेशन याद रखना. व्हाट इज डोमेन, व्हाट इज रेंज, इसमें ज्यादा डेप्थ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. समटाइम्स क्वेश्चन विल अपीयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, रेंज एंड ऑल. योर माइंड शुड स्ट्राइक, ओके दिस इज व्हाट, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इन फंक्शन इज इवन ऑड एंड ग्राफ, राइट? That I'll do in the next class. ठीक है, this is all about the function. तो हम ग्राफ और इवन ऑड, राइट, विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी मे बी संडे को, या तो संडे को नहीं, ट्यूसडे को रखेंगे. तो दैट टाइम आई डू दैट पार्ट आउट, राइट? ठीक है, तो बाकी यही फंक्शन है, एफ ऑफ एक्स, डोमेन, रेंज, ये सब चीजें. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द बेसिक शीट. बेसिक शीट मींस जिसमें एफ ऑफ 3, एफ ऑफ 4, रेंज, डोमेन, दे विल आस्क जस्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? तो वो आप सॉल्व कर लेना, ताकि आपका भी कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डअप हो जाए. दिस इज डोमेन, दिस इज रेंज एंड ऑल, राइट? उसका अपन बाद में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, बट यू शुड डू दैट आउट, राइट? ठीक है, ट्राई कर लेना. बाकी ग्राफ बचा हुआ है और इवन ऑड फंक्शन बचा हुआ है, आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन यू, राइट? तो आई डू दैट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ग्राफ थोड़ा लंबा टॉपिक चलेगा, इवन ऑड तो सिंपल है, ज्यादा टफ नहीं है. ठीक है, और इवन ऑड इज लाइक अभी मैं डेफिनेशन रखता हूँ कि व्हाट इज इवन, व्हाट इज ऑड, राइट? व्हाट इज द मेथड टू फाइंड इन through function, right? For example, if they are telling you to find even function, right, whether the function is even or odd, right, you don't have to do anything. Just instead of x, substitute minus x, right? And if both the function are equal, for example, f of x is equal to f of minus x, right? If we substitute instead of x minus x and both the function comes to be equal, when it is x, that is the same. When it is minus x, that is also the same, right? If both are equal, right, so we call it as even function, right? But if you have to take negative common to make it equal, if you have to take minus common to make f of x and f of minus x equal, right? So we call it as odd function, right? And if both the condition is not satisfied, it is neither odd nor even. Okay? Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear? ठीक है इसको ग्राफिकली हम
Yes,
अगली क्लास में समझेंगे ग्राफ एंड हाउ द ग्राफ इज ड्रॉन how the graph is shifted up and all we'll understand in the next class, right? Now my thing was just to make you understand what is domain, what is range, what is f of x, f of g of x, g of f of x and all, right? That's what I need to explain you up, right? That is done. We'll move to graph and I'll provide you a sheet, ठीक है? उसके कुछ कुछ जो क्वेश्चन है स्टार्टिंग के वो कर लेना ताकि you'll get used to the things. Okay, fine, this is what function is. ठीक है? हेलो, राइट? तो मिलते हैं कल. कल तो फंक्शन की क्लास नहीं होगी, कल तो यार VARC और DIL आ रहा है. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, सी यू गाइस टुमारो. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.